So hi guys, the smallest valued bill right now in our monetary system is the 20 peso bill. I mean, when I was younger, when I was a kid, I'd be happy when someone gives me 20 pesos because I can buy a lot of things with that bill. But this time though, it's 2019 and I want to know, what can we buy with a 20 peso bill? So we're here right now in the streets to find out what can you buy with 20 pesos. Hopefully I can find a lot of really delicious things you can buy with 20 pesos or less. But what do you think, guys? Do you think we still have a lot of things that we can buy with just 20 pesos? Let's find out. So this is Kalami, Cebu's 20 peso challenge, where I look for the best things that you can buy for only 20 pesos or less. While I go around Cebu to look for the best bargains when it comes to food, the 20 peso challenge is also a giveaway brought to you by SUN LTE and Kalami, Cebu, because if you are able to find really great bargains for 20 pesos and post it using my hashtag 20 peso challenge, you might just win a smartphone courtesy of SUN LTE. So guys, watch the description for details and let's start a 20 peso adventure. So guys, we're here at Tintay Jeepney Terminal because in this place we can find several options for the 20 peso challenge here because, well, normally jeepney terminals have a lot of food stations, food carts, and it's not really expensive. So let's see what we can find here. Stand because it's only around 4 pesos. Pero when I was younger, it's just 10 cents. So they stopped us running. And I think then, or then it became, I mean, they only sell fishbowl before, but yeah, now it's around 4 pesos each or 3 for 10 pesos. Depends on where you buy it. This is what you can buy with 20 pesos here. The tempura outlet is like 3 pieces of tempura and 2 quick-quicks for 20 pesos. Sulit ba? I think for a kid, definitely. But when I was younger, really, I think for 20 pesos you can buy like 200 pieces of fish balls already. Inflation. So when we have snacks, normally we go to our neighborhood bakery. So let's check out what we can buy for 20 pesos today. So you can buy 2 breads and a soft drink. Coffee for 5 pesos, not bad guys, not bad. You can even have caramel or hot chocolate for 5 pesos. So, wow. Thank you so much for watching this first episode of the 20 peso challenge. So I was planning to eat a lot, but at 45 pesos, after spending 45 pesos, 20 for the tempura and quick, then 20 at the bakery plus 5 pesos for the coffee. I'm so full already, but wow, my faith in the 20 peso bill is restored because wow, you can still buy a lot of things that can make you full. And I think, yeah, there are more out there. Even at the Tintay jeepney terminal, you can find a lot more. I could even probably have 2 pieces of ngoyong plus 3 pieces of puso for 20 pesos. I could even go to a siomai stall and eat those 3 peso siomais plus puso. And then I could even eat balot. I could even buy peanuts for 20 pesos. I mean, there's so many options still, and I think, yeah, I will discover more in the next few days. And guys, I really encourage you to also look for the best 20 peso meals out there, because I'm running a giveaway and I'm giving out a smartphone courtesy of SUN LTE. By the way, SUN LTE has one of the best, probably the best LTE promo out there, because for only 20 pesos you can get 300 MB of data, Unli-Text to all networks, and Unli-Calls to Sun, Smart, and Talk and Text, valid for 2 days. So that's SP, that's SulitSurfPlus20. It's only for Sun users here in Cebu. So if you want to subscribe, just dial *121 and # and choose SSP20. For sure, it's the most Sulit LTE deal out there that will give you the fastest LTE connection on only 20 pesos. So guys, yeah, once again, thank you so much for watching, and please join the 20 peso challenge giveaway. The details will be on this description. I hope you will send as many entries as you can, because also if ever I find something really interesting, I will feature your entry and go to that place and try out if it's really 20 pesos. Thank you so much. And you know, Cebuanos are really known to find the best Sulit deals out there, and I expect a lot from you guys. So I hope to see you in my next episode. And if you like this episode, please like or share. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe now. And thank you so much once again for watching, and see you on my next food trips. Bye bye.